Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to turn notifications in Cash App on. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you've not already. So if you do not already have an application, what you want to do is download it. So we're going to open up the App Store on our mobile phone and go into the search bar. Once you open up the search bar, you want to search for Cash App. Find the Cash App application and install it. So once you have installed it successfully, you can go ahead and get started logging in. You'll be able to log in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is the home page where, as you can see at the main page, we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other options that we can access. So now we can get started with turning our notifications on. So basically guys, if you have turned on your notifications from the settings, this is where you want to make sure you have enabled notifications so that you'll be able to receive notifications. And once you have done that, now we can manage our notifications from within the app. So what we want to do is right here in the main page, in the upper right corner, as you can see, we have our profile icon. You want to click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to go ahead and open up your settings tab. So go ahead and open up your settings using the profile icon. And once you open up your settings, you can go ahead and scroll down until you find the option for notifications. There's going to be go ahead and saying an option that says notifications, which you can go ahead and enter. From there, you'll be able to manage all your notifications options, such as how many sounds you want, how many notifications you want, and so on. All that is going to be available to be turned on from there, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.